Alright, this is the unboxing of the Ducky 12 SF 65% keyboard. Got it from on Amazon, but it came from mechanicalkeyboards.com. I don't know if you can see that. So, right out of the box, here's the actual keyboard. Ducky with a Ducky wrapper on it. Very nice. Ducky paper. Here's the actual box, which is really nice. It's got a nice shine to it down there. That's the back. That's that. So opening up the box, 2 tabs. This is what it looks like when you first get it. It's got a dust cover, which my other keyboards have as well. It's got this Ducky logo dust cover. Probably can't see that. Then here's the actual keyboard itself. Keyboard comes up in this wrapper. It's got a good weight to it compared to my other one. It's a little bit lighter, I guess. Here it is. Wow. Wow. Just listen to the spacebar stabilizer. I don't know if you guys can hear it. Listen to this. That is amazing. This is my keyboard I've been using right here. Let me get this wire out of the way. This is my keyboard I've been using. It's a Drevo Caliber V2. Really do love it. It's got Cherry MX Red switches on it. I got the Matrix pudding, cotton candy pudding keycaps on there with some grippy extra keycaps I had that I like. Right there, the gray ones. But the pudding keycaps are great. I'm definitely gonna eventually put the pudding keycaps onto my Ducky. I'm gonna use it with the regular keycaps, but just listen to the sound. This has Cherry MX Reds on it. This has Cherry MX Silver, Speed Silvers on it. But listen to the space bar. I've always heard with Ducky, the stabilizers, production stabilizers are the best. They're amazing. I've always heard that. I've never had a Ducky board. Even these keycaps, these PBT keycaps it comes with are amazing. But just listen to the stabilizer difference from this Drevo keyboard. This 60% keyboard, this one does not. Oh no, I'm sorry, this is a 65%. It has the dedicated arrow keys down here and all the page up, delete, home, all that right here. So it's basically the same as the 65% Ducky. So here's the Drevo stabilizer. Hear that rattle? It's always bothered me, this rattle. I've never updated the stabs on it, but listen to that. There's enter, shift. The shift's not too bad. But just this, hear that rattle in that spacebar? It's so bad. Now listen to how crisp the Ducky stabilizers are, right out of the box. Oh my God. All of them are just so nice. That's just why it's worth it. Like, Ducky has been known for their RGB, their keyboards in general, just great functionality. You know, now they have the Mecha Mini, which I'll probably end up getting that too. It's got this nice metal aluminum plate back here with all the serial number and stuff like that, where the Drevo Caliber V2 just has a sticker. I do love this keyboard, and I'm sure I will continue to use this keyboard when I want to switch from reds to speed silvers. But wow, like even just the size, putting them, they're about the same size. The Ducky definitely is a little bit slimmer. I do like the shape of the Ducky better. Yeah, definitely a little bit thinner. The reason why the Drevo Caliber V2 is a little thicker, it has this side light bar here on the bottom, which I do really like. It's got the RGB on top, and it has these little oval side lights right here, which I do like them. So I just can't believe this Ducky 12 SF. All the Duckies, they do have great stabilizers, but just the space bar difference. Wow, I'm gonna love this. So crisp, no rattle whatsoever. all the keys feel really sturdy. Whereas on my Drevo, the stabilizers aren't that good. A lot of them wobble, they rattle a lot. So I'm gonna get the Drevo out of the way. So, this is for the Ducky, that's for the Drevo. Also inside the box with the 1.2 SF, you're gonna get your warranty card. You're gonna get a manual, which you're gonna wanna read the manual for any Ducky keyboard. They have so much functionality. They have games built into the keyboard. They have these little switches right here, where I'm pretty sure you can record, you know, on board profiles and stuff like that. So you're definitely gonna wanna take a look at this manual, even just to change the lighting and stuff like that, which I will do. Also, it has 3 levels. So there's obviously no stand on it. That's level 1. Then this little one kicks out for level 2, and then a bigger one also pops up if you want, you know, more elevation on your keyboard. So also inside the box, what we get is, obviously you get your, I believe it's a 6-foot USB Type-C cable connector with a nice little Ducky Velcro, you know, to keep keep the cord nice if you want it. I have a pink custom cable, so I'm probably going to be using that. But what also Ducky is known for, which everyone already knows, you get the Year of the Pig space bar, the extra space bar right here, which I am going to be putting on. So what I've heard with this is ABS. It's fully shine through, which with the SF they fixed. Before, just the pig used to light up, but now the whole thing lights up. This part here, the sun, all of the design lights up. This does feel a lot thinner than the spacebar that's currently on there. So I might even keep the Ducky spacebar on, see how that goes. Then you get a set of custom keycaps. So here's the custom keycaps that I got. These are all shine through as well. They look really great. I do wish that I got a different color other than this kind of red, you know, I don't know what you'd call it, like a bright red color. I do wish it came with a different color because I see a lot of people that have these ones, this specific color. But it's okay, I'm gonna use them. I'm gonna put some of them on, just give it some spice. I will probably eventually put my Matrix Cotton Candy pudding keycaps. I'll probably put them on here pretty soon. Whichever ones I can fit, because I do know the Ducky SF does have a non-standardized bottom row, so a couple of the keys won't fit, but it's okay for now. Also in the box you get this Ducky logoed keycap puller, which I have so many keycap pullers for all my keyboards, but this one's cool, has the Ducky logo. So yeah, here is the Ducky 1.2 SF. With everything it comes with in the box. I'm going to check it out. What I'm going to do is I'm going to play with the keyboard a little bit. I'm going to run some games on it, switch up the keycaps, figure out the lighting, all the settings, stuff like that, and I'm going to make a follow-up video after I've used it. Like I said, this has the Cherry MX speed switches on it, silver speed switches. I'll show you guys those real quick. I don't know if you can see it. So there's the Cherry MX speed switches. So I'm going to try it out, figure everything out on it, and I'm going to make a follow-up video. I'll post that tonight as well, just to do a follow-up on how I actually like it. All right, see you guys later.